Hello guys, so in this video we'll be looking at how you can make 4 times your profit, okay, without spending on Facebook ads again. All right, so to do this you will need what I call funnels. Okay, so a funnel is basically a path you take your customer through in order for you to make a sale. Okay, so the first part of your funnel is generating traffic to your website. So you need the website to actually make this happen. Okay, and if you check your bonuses, you check the download page. I already provided you how you can set up your website. So you can click on here to have the video on that teaches you how to make use of Insta Builder. Okay, and you can activate it using the plugin that is right here. So this is the plugin here. You download this plugin, watch this video to see how you can set up your website using Insta Builder. Okay, it's very easy. So once you've been able to do that, you need traffic, and your traffic is what is coming from Facebook. Okay, now if you remember the videos that we walked through creating our ads, we use engagement. So in case of you doing walking through a funnel, you're either going to be using things like conversions or traffic. Okay, so how does this work is that you need to be able to collect emails of people, phone numbers of your customers, so you can reach out to them again if you have any product to sell. Okay, now not everyone who is going to see your ad will buy the first time. Probably they don't have money at the moment, probably they are not ready yet. So how can you retain them and sell something to them again is by collecting their details, their phone numbers, and their email address. Okay, so how do you do this? You take them through a funnel. So the first part of your funnel is creating your ads and directing them to your website. Okay, so, all right. So the first part there that you will take them to is what I call a pre-sale. Okay, so a pre-sale is basically to just make your audience know that you are an authority on your chosen niche. Okay, so now this is a pre-sale of one product that I sold on here. Okay, so here is basically teaching people one natural recipe you can use to grow your hair today. So on here the person is going to learn how they can use natural products to grow their hair. All right, then at the end I'll tell them that there is a formula they can use to grow their hair even faster. To gain access to it, they have to put their name and their email right here. Okay, now watch those video, and to be able to collect their emails and their emails, phone numbers, and name, you will need an autoresponder. Okay, so if you go head back to your download page, you see how to set up MailChimp right here. So you'll be using MailChimp for that purpose. Okay, so if you watch this video, it's going to teach you exactly how to go about setting up your form. Okay, so this form that you see right here is going to show you how you can set up a form like this. Okay, and watch the video on how to build your pages. You're able to know that. So the purpose of a pre-sale is just to establish yourself as an authority on the niche. So you want to show the person that you know what you're talking about. Take for instance, if you have two persons that are selling same thing, like let's say a suit. Okay, one walks up to you and tells you that come and buy suits, and the other one tells you that I want to show you 10 criteria of choosing the best suit that will fit you. Which of them are you going to listen to? Of course, you're going to listen to the person who tells you to come and that he will show you 10 criteria to choose a suit that fits you. So basically same thing that you're going to do here. So at the end of the person telling you the criteria of shooting a suit, you're going to say, okay, well, I have a product that you can use. Why not check it out to see if it's going to fit what your needs? Okay, so that's basically what you want to create. You want to create that trust, that rapport between you and your customer before you actually sell to them. Okay, so it's like a pre-framing. Okay, so that's what a pre-sale, a page like this does for you. So you don't want to just send people directly to your product. Okay, so if you send them to a page like this, you tell them a little bit, then at the end you collect their emails and then you lead them to your sales page where you get to sell the product. Now this is the sales page for the product. Okay, now you can see it right here. Okay, so this is the sales page for it. Okay, basically talking more about the product, testimonials, and how they can get the product. Okay, so you want to be able to set up things like this. Okay, so try and look at the video on creating simple pages like this. So for instance, if you want to create your page, a sales page to sell your product, all you need to do is, of course, you need a hosting and a domain. Okay, so once you've done that, you go to your pages. Let's say add new pages, and it's going to load. So let's say test, let's say new UT. So turn on the Insta Builder right here. I'm going to save it as drafts first, and I'm going to launch it. Okay, so right here you can choose the type of page you want. So we want a sales page. Okay, so sales page going to load up, and then you can choose the one that works best for you. So let's see. So this is something that we're going to be looking at. Okay, so this is a very good page to make use of. So I'm going to choose this, show you guys what exactly to do to create your sales pages. So this is basically a template that walks you through creating your sales page. Okay, this is a template that is going to walk you through creating your sales page step by step. So you have a pre-headline, something introducing your headline, and of course a sub-headline right here. Okay, and of course the introduction yourself. Start by asking one or two questions regarding the problem. So you want to go through all of this, and with you going through this, you should be able to create your first sales later. Okay, you'll be able to create your first sales later. So that's it, guys. I hope you get a grasp of how to set up your funnel. Okay, so that's it. Have a great time. Bye.